I am out here, got the heater going. It's kind of cold outside, and I need to do a video on a product some people sent me. It's a little power generator. It's a small thing, but they sent it to me, wanted me to try it out and say my thoughts on it, you know. So this is what we got right here. It's not quite sure how to say that. It's Webetop maybe, but this is the little generator. And it shows a couple of small things you can run on it. And I've tried it out. I've tried to run a bunch of stuff on it, and a lot of stuff it's not going to run. But I have tried it out. It's got a little light on the front of it. Now that light's not very bright. It looks like it would be, but it's not very bright. It's not dark out here. I'll show you. All your plug-ins are on the back side back there. But yeah, I've tried it on several things, and I've got it, and it's ran a small fan. I got it to run a small TV, like a little, I'm not even sure, it's a small TV, I'm not sure how big it is, but I hadn't tried a big one. But I tried to run a drill on it, and I tried to run a grinder on it, and it just automatically shuts it down. It's got a full charge on it right there. And if you try to plug something big into it, like even a drill isn't pulling that much. But I mean, as soon as you turn it on, it shuts the thing down. It's not going to push anything like that. I can't say for sure how long it would last. I mean, how long the charge would last on it. I'm sure it depends on what you're pulling off of it. You can only plug one thing at a time. You might be able to plug a multi-outlet in that thing and get two things. I don't know. I'm sure it would drain the mess out of it, though. But anyway, man, it seems to be pretty good depending on what you're doing with it. I mean, if you're, like I say, don't get it thinking that you're going to do anything hardcore with it. You know, you're not going to put any power tools or anything like that on it. But like if you're going camping or something, it'd be good to have for charging your phone and stuff like that. I have charged the phone when the power went out. We used it to charge the phones. But so it's something like that. It would be good. It'd be good to have in your car, ride around with, just in case, you know. But anyway, that's my thoughts on it. It seems to be a pretty good little thing. Like I say, it's not going to push a grinder, a drill, any kind of power tool. But something small, you'll get a little time out of it probably. And we did charge the phones on it all night long one time, so, and we had 3 phones plugged into it. So anyway, that's my thoughts on it, man. I really don't know what else to say about it. Like I say, the light wasn't very bright. It does work. It's just not super bright. And it's got the little flash thing on there too. But I may have been expecting too much out of it. So anyway, oh, it also has some extra plugs and stuff where you can put it in your car lighter. Another part of that. I'm not sure what that plug is. I really don't know. But anyway, that's it. So anyway, that's my thoughts on it, man. If you're gonna do some small stuff with it, something that's not gonna take a whole lot of juice out of it at one time, you'll probably be all right. But anything, if it's too big for it, shut it down automatically, so it's not even gonna let you drain it out. But that's my thoughts on it, man. They got them on Amazon. I'm sure they'll give me a link or something to put on there. And I got another video coming of a vertical smoker, actually. This is the firebox on it right here that I'm in here welding up. So that video will be up here shortly, and then more of them after that. So if y'all new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.